as you know that the global paradigm, whether we talk about economy, employment now, education, and also beyond that, your traditional industry, your health tech, social sector, everything is transitioning towards digital. This will eventually, these trainings, these skills will eventually become absolutely critical in terms of developing the workforce that is required, not only by the countries for their economic development, but also by the individuals who will be now, and especially the younger lot who's going to be stepping into their practical lives into a completely transformed world where everything will now be digital. So I believe that skilling young people in digital skills is something which is now going to, and very soon, actually, I genuinely believe we're kind of late to the party, but actually should become the baseline and kind of a necessary and compulsory education when it comes to the younger lot now. And the traditional education, while extremely important, also will eventually start to transition, and the sooner we disrupt that, the better we're going to be. So it's very important, and I would like to once again commend everyone for for creating this program and then implementing the program and for training this lot in different skills which will be extremely valuable moving forward. And for all the young people who've taken this training, I think that, and I hope and I believe that you will not only become very, very productive citizens, but also become the flag bearers when it comes to our national perception. You will become ambassadors of Pakistan. Once you start working in this domain, this is absolutely transnational, it's without borders. You will become those responsible, ethical workforce that the world requires right now. So the opportunity is boundless, the demand is unlimited of these skills, and let me also tell you that you will be amongst a very small percentage of Pakistan's population who would have gotten this opportunity to get these skills. So there are hundreds and millions of our children who at this point do not have this opportunity and who in future might also not get the opportunity. So that also kind of puts a double responsibility on all of us who are able to achieve these kinds of opportunities to really perform well and to really make ourselves into those useful, productive citizens that the country needs right now. And we're very hopeful. You are our future. You are the young people who we celebrate every day. We talk about Pakistan's export growing by around year on year between 23 and 24. We saw a growth of around 26%, 27%. Quarter on quarter, since last year, we've seen a growth of around 39%. And, it is actually a celebration of young people like yourselves who are really, pushing through the tide. And we understand the challenges that you face, and we understand the bottlenecks that you all must face when it comes to it. But it's really a contribution that these young people are making when it comes to the development of economy of the country. So इस सब के साथ मैं आप सबसे जिन्होंने ट्रेनिंग ली है और मीडिया क्योंकि यहाँ पे मौजूद है, तो उन बाकी सारे उन बच्चों से भी जो कि हमें सुन रहे हैं, देख रहे हैं, एक यही गुजारिश होगी कि आई थिंक कि आज के दौर में हमारे पास अगर हमें बेसिक इंग्लिश आती है, उर्दू आती है, मैथमेटिक्स आती है, तो देयर इज़ नथिंग दैट कैन स्टॉप अस फ्रॉम लर्निंग मोर. आज आपने एक स्किल लिया है, आपके पास अगर एक स्मार्ट डिवाइस है, a phone, a tablet, a laptop, there's nothing that can stop you from learning more. सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ आज मुफ्त हैं। MIT के, हार्वर्ड के कोर्सेज आज मुफ्त अवेलेबल हैं। अपने आप को इस तरह का एक फील्ड है जहाँ पे आपको अपने आप को अपस्किल करना पड़ेगा रेगुलरली। सो यू नीड टू गेट आउट ऑफ योर कंफर्ट जोन्स। आपको अपना, एंड यू नो आई एम वेरी वेरी ग्लैड टू सी such young bright people, because in this day and age you can really actually consume yourselves in 10,000 other things, but to take out time अपनी ज़िंदगी में से वो वक्त निकालना, कोई चीज़ सीखना और उसको फिर करना, ये भी कैपेबिलिटी हर किसी, ये तौफीक भी अल्लाह ताला हर किसी को नहीं देते। तो बाकी सबसे भी मेरी ये गुजारिश होगी कि प्रोडक्टिवली अपने टाइम को यूज़ करें। वक्त दोबारा नहीं आता, वक्त नहीं हाथ आता। सब कुछ आपको मिलेगा, सब कुछ होगा, वक्त आपके हाथ दोबारा नहीं आएगा। और जितनी जल्दी आप सीख लेंगे, जितनी जल्दी आप अडेप्ट करेंगे इन चेंजेस को, उतना ही आपके लिए बेहतर होगा। टेक्नोलॉजी इट्सेल्फ एक इक्वलाइज़र है। आई एम वेरी ग्लैड कि ये जो सारी द ट्रेनिंग्स दैट यू कंडक्टेड फॉर young students from KPK and also flood affected regions. And I think they were the most deserving. Last year when I was running the Prime Minister's Youth Program, we actually did something similar in terms of, because we used to give easy loans for businesses, but we transitioned towards agri loans as well because of the flood that really destroyed about 1/3 of the land in the country. So I think कि इस तरह के जो बच्चे होते हैं, और मेरा जो एक्सपीरियंस है वो ये है कि हमारे भी साउथ पंजाब के बच्चे, फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल सिंध के बच्चे, आप सारे जो हैं, एक लर्निंग की जो विल होती है दैट्स मच हायर, क्योंकि लॉट ऑफ द पीपल जिनको ये जो इस अपॉर्चुनिटी को फॉर ग्रांटेड लेते हैं, वो उनका एक बड़ा डिफरेंट माइंडसेट होता है। बट when you face those hardships, अब आई एम श्योर ये जो बच्चे who face the hardship of a flood, किसी के लैंड्स ख़राब हुए होंगे, किसी का घर ख़राब हुआ होगा, किसी के पेरेंट्स की जॉब चली गई होगी, there was a loss of lives as well, family, massive loss of livestock, जो कि cornerstone है बहुत ज़्यादा livelihoods का। So ये जो distress situation में जो होता है, उसको I think that's the maximum return on investment that we can get in terms of when we skill these families, when we really support these families. So I'm very glad that this program was run in this particular manner, and I hope that we will in future also be able to continue programs like these. Not only that, I think it's going to be very important that we're able to trace maybe in a year that what kind of impact this program had. And that is going to be critical in terms of forming, informed policies around running such programs. In order to really understand what is it that we can improve, what worked, what did not work. A complete data-backed analysis of the impact that we were able to create through this program. And, even within the government, we're going to run quite a few training programs, but we're taking this time and haven't been able to start the program because we're also reconsidering that in the past when these programs have been run, we've seen a lack of impact assessments. And as a consequence, we're not really sure what worked. We're not really sure what we're going to train right now. Do we have the right kind of demand out there in the market? So that assessment is something which is critical to all these programs and should be an integral part of all these programs that we run, especially in the public sector, so that we're able to not only understand whether these need to be continued, but also how do we improve these things.